The next family of ratios are profitability ratios, and let's discuss about these ratios. First ratio in this family is return on common equity. Return on common equity is equal net income minus preferred dividends requirements divided on common equity. Subtract from common equity goodwill, the intangible assets, and tax liability. This ratio shows how efficient managers are using the capital, and it shows their ability to leverage the return by reasonable amount of debt. So analysts use this ratio to determine if management chose an optimum amount of financial leverage or not. So this ratio tells us information if company managers have decided to get into debt and the debt is optimum or not. The next one is the earnings margin, which is equal net income plus minority interest plus tax minus the adjusted interest, and divided that on sales. So ratio to sales of the final net profit and tax adjusted interest are available for capital funds. This is also an important ratio, and we can calculate one of them. The capital turnover ratio, which is sometimes called an activity ratio, equal sales divide tangible assets minus short-term payables. This ratio, as I mentioned, sometimes called an activity ratio, and it provides the earliest sign of the change in the company. There are many variations of this ratio, but for project we will use the formula that we have right here, sales divided on tangible assets. And in the category of this family includes the asset turnover, the inventory turnover, the equity turnover, working capital turnover, and etc. So our objective is to pick one of these ratios in this family and apply for our project. Also in your career, in your future financial analysis career, you will dedicate time to use these ratios, and obviously you will use one of them that fits on your needs better. I mean, every ratio has its specific information message, but more or less the ratios included in this family tell analysts the same story. So go ahead, pick one of those, apply for your project, and we'll talk more about other ratios in next topic. Thank you, and you have a good day. Bye.